In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickfunnel to collect emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple, effective funnel that captures leads and delivers your offer automatically. First, let's set up your funnel inside Clickfunnel. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side and find the Funnels option in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click that. On the Funnels page, you'll see a button to create something new. Click Create Funnel. Clickfunnel will now show you different funnel types and templates. Since we're focused on building an email list, choose the Lead Squeeze Funnel option. This type of funnel is designed specifically for capturing contact information, usually in exchange for something valuable like a free guide or training. If you want to get a feel for how it looks, you can preview the template first. When you're happy with the layout, click Select Funnel to add it to your account. Next, it's time to customize your funnel so it matches your brand and offer. Click the Customize Now button to open the funnel editor. This is where you'll spend most of your time. For this setup, you'll mainly work with two pages. The first is the opt-in page. This is the page where visitors will type in their email address to join your list or claim your free resource. The second is the Thank You page, which is what they'll see right after they submit their email. On that page, you'll confirm that everything worked and give them access to what you promised. Let's start with the opt-in page. Make sure there's an input element on the page and set that input type to email field so Clickfunnel knows to store email addresses correctly. Then add or edit a button element and set its action to Submit Order Form. This tells Clickfunnel to capture the email when someone clicks it. Now customize the copy. You'll want a compelling headline that clearly explains what you're offering and why it's valuable. Underneath, add a short, clear description of exactly what they'll receive after subscribing. To make the page more attractive and trustworthy, include professional images or a short video that showcases your lead magnet, like a preview of your ebook, checklist, or mini course. Once the opt-in page looks good, move over to the Thank You page in the funnel editor. This page should reassure people that their submission went through and explain how to access their free offer. Add clear instructions, such as checking their inbox, logging into a member area, or clicking a specific link. You can also include next steps or additional calls to action, like following you on social media or watching a related video. If you're delivering a file or course, this is a great place to add download links or access information so they can get started right away.